Welcome back to Journey Alberta. I'm Sean.
And I'm Danae.
Today we're at the Inglewood Bird Sanctuary. Like I said, today we're at the Inglewood Bird Sanctuary. It's located in Calgary. It's pretty close actually to where we live. And today we're going to be going on a couple of the trails here. Maybe try and, I don't know how many birds we'll see today, where it's later in fall now. But we're going to try and make our way to what I think is a pond, looking on a map. Make our way over there, and it should be a really nice autumn day out here today, I think.
I think so too, yeah. I'm excited.
So let's get out there. Well, unfortunately the building, interpretive center, is closed. I'm assuming due to COVID.
No, it's because they are renovating and it's supposed to open 2021.
There we go. They are renovating. We're making our way into the bird sanctuary now. It wasn't me actually that selected coming out here today. It was Danae.
Yeah.
Yeah, she found a place that was near our house, this little park.
Yeah, I actually just looked up different parks in Calgary, and this was one of the places that popped up. And so even though the nature center is closed, the rest of it's open, and apparently there's birds here year-round, so yeah, it should be fun. And lots of deer. There's lots of deer here as well.
Oh, animals.
Yeah.
Came to a pond, and we're going to make our way across this bridge that's here and make our way in the general direction of the Bow River. Danae has seen some ducks, so we're heading towards them right now. We were down by the water for a bit, of the Bow River. Saw a few birds actually. Saw, was it a heron?
Heron, yeah.
Yeah, there's a heron out on the Bow River, kind of standing, I think must have been on like a rock or something in the middle of the river.
Yeah.
Tons of seagulls over there too. They were swarming something.
Eating something now.
Yeah, so that was pretty cool to see as well. Now we're heading kind of, not back to the vehicle, but making our way around this little loop in this trail here. I like this park so far. It's been very quiet. There's no animals allowed here, Danae?
No animals unless it's a service animal.
Okay, so like no, you can't bring your dog here or anything.
No bikes.
No bikes either. And there's signs around here that say you have to be quiet, so no yelling.
And they also tell you to stay off the grass in certain areas because there are nesting sites.
Yeah.
So we're definitely going to come back for that.
Yep, there's a very sensitive environment, and you must stay on the trails when you're here. That way everyone can enjoy it. really great day. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below where you'd like to see me go next. Subscribe for new videos coming every Friday. I'll see you next week.